Hello and welcome to the iTech HQ application webinar series. In this video, we will cover how to scan your initial SimpleStock inventory, how to log a repair manually, and the different repair features and functions that can be found in each and every repair. Let's start by tapping the icon of the phone symbol with the check mark on the bottom right. Now tap the words Inventory to switch to this SimpleStock inventory view. Notice your order limit in the upper left-hand corner. This number indicates the maximum number of SimpleStock parts you are permitted to have in your inventory at any given time. In this example, our order limit is 20. Next to your order limit, you'll find the In Stock column. This number indicates the number of parts you have scanned into your inventory. Next to the In Stock, you'll find the To Order column. This number indicates the number of parts you can order from the iTech store. Once you complete a repair and recycle the broken parts by mailing it back to iCracked, this number will increase. Lastly, you'll find the Recycle column. This number indicates the number of parts you have yet to recycle. Remember, you can only order more stock once you have recycled broken parts from your repairs by mailing it back to iCracked in the prepaid USPS box provided to you. It is also important to note that before you'll be able to receive repairs in the app, you must scan in your SimpleStock inventory. Additionally, you'll need to have your SimpleStock inventory scanned in order to complete repairs. To scan in your inventory, simply tap the Scan Parts button. You can scan in your inventory by scanning the QR code on the outside of the brown box that your parts arrived in, like so. To make things easy, you can scan in multiple parts at once. The text in the upper right-hand corner will keep track of how many parts you've scanned. Notice that the screen now says 3 parts scanned. If you have issues scanning the boxes, you can also manually enter the 6-digit code found next to the QR image on the box. Notice that the inventory we just scanned is now reflected in the application. Now that your SimpleStock inventory has been scanned in, you can mark which devices you are able to service by toggling the service view. It is imperative that you update this view as it determines which repairs you will be self-scheduled for. In this example, we scanned in a black iPhone 6s, a white iPhone 6 Plus, and a black iPhone 6 Plus. We'll mark them in our services by tapping the appropriate bubbles. When they are selected, their bubbles will turn blue. Because we set up our zones and availability earlier, we will now be able to receive self-scheduled repairs automatically based on our location, availability, and service preferences. If you have scanned in your inventory but have not marked the corresponding devices in your Services tab, you will not be scheduled for any repairs. Alternatively, if you do not update your services to accurately reflect your inventory, you may be scheduled for repairs that you are not prepared for. For this reason, it is crucial that you keep your Services tab up to date and accurate. Now that we've scanned in our inventory, let's move on to scheduling a manual repair. First, tap the wrench symbol in the lower left-hand corner. Then tap the plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner to add a new manual repair. This is how we begin to manually enter a repair. Simply input the customer's name, phone number, and email address. Once we tap Submit, the repair will be logged under your scheduled repairs. However, it will still indicate that it has not been scheduled. Simply open the repair and tap the Schedule button. From here, we can indicate that we are at our current location or input a custom location. Once we input the custom location, we can select Search and select the appropriate PIN. Once we've entered our location, we'll be taken to the calendar page. The calendar page is where you can indicate the time and date of the repair. You can also select the Right Now option in the bottom left corner to indicate that you are currently at the repair. From here, we indicate the device we'll be working on, as well as the issues. Next, we can reschedule if we need to change either the location or the time. Simply tap the Schedule and then Reschedule button. Follow the same process. We can also change the device if we need to. Simply tap the device button, tap the plus symbol in the top right corner, enter the new device type as well as the issue, and then take your finger from right to left and swipe over the original device. Select the delete button and input a reason. Next, we have the en route and the arrived features. This is a very simple button that indicates to the customer when you're on your way and when you've arrived via text message. Once you're at the repair, tap the repair button to open the pre-repair checklist. Be sure to take diligent notes. Once our checklist is complete, we will indicate which tasks we will be performing during the repair. Again, be sure to take diligent notes. Once we complete this page, we begin the repair. Take a photo of the device before beginning the repair. You can retake or reuse the photo you've taken. Next, we'll scan in the part we'll be using to complete the repair. The QR code will be found on the part itself. Please note, the QR code on the part is different than that QR code on the box. During your repair, you must use the QR code found on the part. You will not be able to continue with the repair without the appropriate code. Once you scan the part, the repair quote will automatically be filled in on the next page. Once the customer has agreed to the quote, have them sign and begin. After we've completed the repair, we select the complete option. From here, you again go through the checklist. Be sure to take diligent notes. Once our checklist is complete, we will indicate which tasks we did in fact perform during the repair. At this point, we enter the serial number of the device and take our post-repair photo. We can retake or use a photo we've already taken. Now, it's time to collect card payment. At any point during the repair, you can cancel by simply selecting the circle with the line in it at the top right corner of the repair and indicate the reason for canceling. This concludes this portion of the video webinar series. Thank you for watching.